Okay, let us learn today the trade of the Indus Valley civilization. Trade of the Indus Valley civilization. The Indus people carry on flourishing trade both within and outside of India. They had a trade relationship with Mesopotamia, nowadays in Iraq, Persia, nowadays in Iran, and Afghanistan. How can we say that Indus Valley people had trade relationship with Mesopotamia, Persia, and Afghanistan due to the discovery of Harappan seals in Mesopotamia and the Mesopotamia seals in Indus Valley cities prove that two civilizations had trade relationship with each other. A variety of weights and measures were used by the Indus Valley people. Trade was probably carried out by barter system. Trade was carried on both by land and sea routes. Bull carts were used by land to transport the goods. Boats and ships were transported by the sea routes. A dockyard has been discovered at Lothal. What does dockyard means? Dockyard means a port. A port. Let us learn seals of the Indus Valley civilization. Seals of the Indus Valley civilization. More than 2000 seals has been discovered from the various sites of the Indus Valley civilizations. Seals were generally small, flat, rectangular or square in shape. Seals were generally small, flat, rectangular or square in shape. These seals were made of clay, soapstone and copper. Seals were made of clay, soapstone and copper. Seals were skillfully carved with figure of human and animals such as unicorn, the humble, the god, the tiger and the elephants. It means the seals were skillfully cut or painted with figures of human and animals such as unicorn. What does unicorn means? Unicorn means imaginary creature. The humble, the goat, the tiger and the elephant. Seals were used by merchant and trader to stamp goods. Seals were used by merchant and trader to stamp the goods. Seals were a valuable source of information about their life and culture of the people. Seals were a valuable source of information about their life and culture of the people. Seals were important for the historian to find the valuable source of the information about their lifestyle and culture of the Indus Valley people. Seals tell us a great deal about their religious beliefs, artistic skills, trade contact, dress and ornaments. Seals give us a valuable information about their religious beliefs, about their artistic skills, about their trade contact, about their dress, about their ornaments. The script engraved on the Indus Valley seals continue to puzzle scholars and historians even today. Some of the seals that a historian had found, in that seals engraved some of the script, which script the historian still they did not understand or they did not translate that words or ideas or their picture. Because of that, some of the fact that did not come into light. If they will translate the some of the seals picture or their words and ideas, we will get a lot of information about the Indus Valley's culture and their lifestyle and their religious belief. Let us learn the religion of the Indus Valley civilization. Some of the objects have been found in the ruins help us to form on idea of the religion of the Indus Valley people. No temple have been found in Indus Valley sites. Numbers of smoke stain, clay figures of a female deity have been found. This female deity is known as mother goddesses. A three-faced figure seated in a yogi posture and surrounded by various animals have been found, and it is also known as Pasupati. Numbers of smokestack clay figures of a female deity have been found. This is probably known as mother goddesses. A tree-faced figures seated in a yogi posture and surrounded by various animals have been found, and this is also probably known as Pasupati. The Indus Valley people worship people tree and they regard as a sacred tree. Discovery of large number of amulets suggests that the Indus Valley people, they wear the amulets to protect from the evil spirit. Like the Mesopotamia, the Indus Valley people also believe life after death. Due to that reason, when they buried their dead body, along with that they buried items of foods, utensils and ornaments. Sometimes, like the Mesopotamia people, the Indus Valley people also believed in life after death. When they buried their dead body, during the time they buried with the dead body along with items of foods, utensils and ornaments, and sometimes they cremate the dead body. What does cremate means? Cremate means burning the dead body. So when they burning the dead body or cremate the dead body, during the time they assess or they kept ashes or bones in on along with items of daily uses. When the Indus Valley people cremate the dead body, they kept ashes after they burn the dead body. They kept ashes or bones in on along with items of daily uses. Let us learn the decline of the Indus Valley civilization or the destruction of the Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization, which flourished for about 1000 years and suddenly it destroyed. Scholars have put forward in various subjects or various theories to explain its collapse. So they had mentioned here three theories or three ideas. The first idea is the natural calamities like a earthquake, floods or epidemics may have destroyed the Indus Valley civilization, and the second theory was the invention of the foreign tribes like the Aryans may have destroyed the Indus Valley civilization, or the last theory is the changes in the courses of the river Indus may have destroyed the infertility of the land or fertility of the land. So the decline and destruction of the Indus Valley civilization, the scholars have put forward for various theories, but out of the theories they mention only the three theories. The first theory is natural calamities like earthquake or floods or epidemics may have destroyed the Indus Valley civilization, or second theory is the invention by the foreign tribes like Aryans may have destroyed the Indus Valley civilization. And the third theory is the change in the course of Indus river may have destroyed the Indus Valley civilization.